Hi friends, it's Ashlyn Carter. Welcome back to my channel. Just bought this brand new black sofa table here about a month ago, and I have been wanting to film a video about styling. Styling side tables, sofa tables are, I believe, super fun, something unique that you can do. So today I wanted to show you 3 different ways to style a side table. Instead of going to Target or HomeGoods and just filling your cart with things that you might already have around the house, this is what I like to do first, a little tip for you. What I do is I gather all the things around my house that I love. So sometimes we have things that we love, but they get kind of buried. For example, I had this wood bowl and it was just full of so much junk and it was just shoved in the corner of my desk. So I emptied that out. I'm like, this needs to be repurposed somewhere. So I kind of went around my house and I shopped my house and I gathered all kinds of things that I thought could potentially look good on the sofa table. So that's my first tip for you, is to gather everything that you already have, lay it all out and shop your house. Lay it all out so you can see what you have to work with. And then if you still feel like you need a few more things, like maybe you want a nice coffee table book or you need a clock or something, then go out and get it, but use what you have first. So let's get to the fun part. Let's decorate this side table and then vote below which one you liked best. I just recorded all those and I was hoping this would come in today. But sometimes you do need a little something, and this little $25 rattan lamp from Target was calling my name. So I'm gonna see if I can style that up. So let's make that 4 ways to style a console table. Let's go. Okay, that is it. 4 ways to style your console. I hope that you had fun watching that. I hope you maybe got some styling ideas for your own side table, and I would love to know which way was your favorite. So 1, 2, 3, or the last one, number 4. Leave a comment below and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.